Good morning, children. I am here to welcome you all again for Geography session of Standard 10th. In the previous class, we have studied with map filling of lesson number 2, location and extent. Today, we'll be starting with the map filling of lesson number 3, physiography and drainage. And here again, we will be filling the topics or the details about Brazil and India. So, to start with, I have here a map of India. And the question, same question here, show the following on a given outline map of India, give index. I have already explained you all with the importance of index in the last session. So please don't forget that. The first thing what you will do is write all the given details in the question in your index here. That's the first thing you will do it here. Secondly, we'll start marking the topics here. First topic is Sundarbans. So Sundarbans हमको कहाँ बनाना हुआ है? If you see here your West Bengal, जो हमारे वेस्ट बंगाल का नीचे का पोर्शन है, ईस्टर्न मोस्ट पोर्शन और यू कैन से द सदर्न मोस्ट पोर्शन meeting the Bay of Bengal, there you have studied that a Ganga delta is formed here. Ganga Brahmaputra delta is formed here at the borders of West Bengal and Bangladesh. This region is also called as Sundarbans. जो गंगा डेल्टा है हमारा वहाँ सुंदरबंस है. Second topic is Andaman Nicobar Islands. We all know the islands on the eastern side of India, that is in the Bay of Bengal, we have Andaman Nicobar Islands. Third topic is Rann of Kutch. You see here there are two curved portions in Gujarat. The upper one, that is to the north of Gulf of Kutch, is called as Rann of Kutch. Gulf जो है water body है और Rann of Kutch जो है वो गुजरात का north portion है, northern side है. So that is Rann of Kutch. Coming to the next topic, Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau अगर हम देखते हैं तो हमारा महाराष्ट्र स्टेट, लीव आउट द बॉर्डर्स, जो ईस्टर्न वेस्टर्न घाट से वो बॉर्डर्स का हम उतना पोर्शन छोड़ देंगे और ये जो ट्रायंगुलर रीजन है कवरिंग द स्टेट्स ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, आंध्र प्रदेश, तेलंगाना एंड कर्नाटका इज आवर डेक्कन प्लेटो. देन कम्स हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ इंडिया. इंडिया का जो ऊपर नॉर्थ पोर्शन में आप ऊपर कर्व देख रहे हैं, नॉर्दर्न मोस्ट पोर्शन में जो कर्व देख रहे हैं उसके सेंटर में जहाँ कर्व है, देयर यू विल मेक अ ट्रायंगल, स्मॉल ट्रायंगल एंड mark that as highest peak of India, and the name of this highest peak is K2. Next is Eastern Himalayas. Eastern Himalayas के लिए हम अरुणाचल प्रदेश जो स्टेट है हमारा इसको शेड करेंगे and that is called as Eastern Himalayas. Western Himalayas के लिए जम्मू कश्मीर, हिमाचल प्रदेश और उत्तराखंड है. सेंट्रल हिमालयाज़ के लिए सिक्किम है और ईस्टर्न हिमालयाज़ में अरुणाचल प्रदेश आएंगे. हमको यहाँ पर सिर्फ ईस्टर्न हिमालयाज़ मार्क करना है. सो दिस वॉज द एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड लेट अस नाउ सी दिस लोकेशंस इन द फेयर मैप. द ग्रीन color shows here the delta region, and of course the numbers are not written here, so please see that you write down the numbers as per the question. फर्स्ट टॉपिक है सुंदरबंस, तो यहाँ पर आपका नंबर 1 आएगा. अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड्स, दिस इज द सेकेंड टॉपिक, सो विल राइट इट हियर 2. थर्ड इज रान ऑफ कच्छ, गुजरात का ये पोर्शन आपको बताया गया था, दिस इज रान ऑफ कच्छ 3. Fourth is your Deccan Plateau. Number 5 is the highest peak of India, that is K2. And number 6 is your Arunachal Pradesh, that is Eastern Himalayas. One more thing you will see here, that the index what I have made here is not written in the map. That is because here the space is little less and I won't be able to accommodate this index here. इसलिए मैंने नीचे लिखी हूँ. आप लोग कोशिश करना कि आप मैप में ही लिखें. Got it? So this was all about the physiography of India. Coming to the next map of Brazil. For Brazil, you have to show the following details on the given outline map of Brazil, and again here we'll be doing with the index. In the first topic is Guiana Highlands, second São Marcos Bay, third highest peak of Brazil, number 4 grasslands, 5 Amazon River Basin, 6 Great Escarpments, and number 7 is Marajo Islands. All these topics are to be filled up in the map, and here again my index is below the map. You please see that your index is in the map itself. Guiana Highlands mark करेंगे हम. Guiana Highlands are the northern highlands of Brazil. तो यहाँ पर जो northern states हैं, here these states are covered in the Guiana Highlands. Please don't go up to Marajo Island, it will be just here. Second topic is São Marcos Bay. यहाँ पर आप ब्राज़ील में देखेंगे दो बेस हमको दिखती हैं नॉर्दर्न साइड में. द फर्स्ट वन इज़ हियर एंड द सेकेंड वन इज़ हियर. ये दोनों बेस जो हैं, द फर्स्ट वन दैट इज़ ऑन द वेस्टर्न साइड, जो ये वाली बे है हमारी, दिस इज़ Marajo Bay near the Marajo Island, and this one is São Marcos Bay, that is what we have to mark here. Third is the highest peak of Brazil. Highest peak जो है ब्राज़ील की, that is Pico de Neblina. If you see this curve here, ऊपर में जो नॉर्थ वेस्ट साइड में हमको ये कर्व दिख रहा है, इस कर्व के स्टार्टिंग पे हमको एक ट्रायंगल शो करना है, एंड दैट ट्रायंगल विल इंडिकेट द highest peak of Brazil. Sorry, it should go a little up. It should just touch the borders. यहाँ पर हमारे बॉर्डर को टच करता हुआ ये पीक बनेगा. Touch the border. That is highest peak of Brazil, Pico de Neblina. Next topic is grasslands. जो southernmost state है ब्राज़ील का, here you see the grasslands, and these grasslands are called as pampas. You will see this in your textbooks. टेक्स्ट में आपको दिखेगा ये है पम्पाज. नेक्स्ट इज अमेजॉन बेसिन. हमको मालूम है नॉर्दर्न साइड में अमेजॉन रिवर है हमारी ब्राज़ील की, एंड दिस पोर्शन टिल एक्सटेंडिंग टिल द मराजो आइलैंड इज अमेजॉन बेसिन. सिक्स्थ टॉपिक इज ग्रेट एस्कार्पमेंट. हियर you will find the great escarpment on this borders, touching the borders. Last is Marajo Island. Marajo Island आप देखेंगे, ये देखो दोनों बेस, ये जो मराजो बे है और यहाँ पर एक एरिया है, इसके बीच में एक छोटा सा लैंड पोर्शन दिख रहा है आपको. दिस लैंड पोर्शन इज कॉल्ड एज मराजो बे, सॉरी मराजो आइलैंड. This is your Marajo Island. Let us see this in a fair map. This is the map I have marked here. Number 1 is Guiana Highlands. I have shaded with red color lines. Next, number 2 is São Marcos Bay. यहाँ पे आपको दिखाया गया था. This is number 2 with purple color. Highest peak of Brazil is Pico de Neblina. See, I have shown here with a purple dot. You have to make a triangle, I told you, for the highest peak. Number 4 is your grasslands. यहाँ पे नीचे देखेंगे आप सदर्न मोस्ट स्टेट जो है ब्राज़ील का, यहाँ पे ग्रीन कलर की लाइंस जो हैं ये शो कर रही हैं ग्रासलैंड्स को. दैट इज पम्पास ग्रासलैंड्स, एज आई टोल्ड यू, PAMPAS. दिस इज पम्पास. बुक में आपको पम्पास के नाम से ग्रासलैंड्स दिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज अमेजॉन बेसिन, मार्क्ड विद अ ब्लू लाइन, blue thick line. Then you have great escarpments marked with yellow color here. This is your great escarpments, 6 number पे yellow color से जो बने हुए हैं, and the last 7 number is Marajo Island on the northern side, Marajo Bay के बाजू में. So these were the 7 topics for Brazil, map of Brazil. After this, I have some topics for you all from this chapter for homework. The topics for India are Thar Desert, Western Ghats, Aravallis, Shivaliks and River Godavari. Then Lakshadweep, Western Himalayas and Eastern Coastal Plains. In this chapter we have a lot of topics, lot of details to be filled up in the map, and therefore for homework I have given you all 8 topics here. For Brazil, you have to show the Brazilian highlands, Marajo Bay, drought quadrilateral, Pantanals and River Amazon. Please see that you all fill up these topics on your details on your maps, and please put it in your groups, class groups, so that your teachers can check it. And if one student's map is checked, all of you have to refer that map, and please, it's not necessary that everybody should put it here. Please refer that map and do the corrections accordingly. That's all for today in this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.